Hi, I'm Kaedi Knepshield with Piatt Sotheby's International Realty. Today we're at my brand new Lawrenceville listing at 172 39th Street. Let's go check it out. Just steps from Butler Street, this row house was completely renovated in 2017. Attention to detail is evident from everywhere from the built-in entertainment center to the exposed wood rafters in the living room and the bead details in the powder room. While entertaining your friends in the living room, you can grab them a drink at the walk-up bar with open shelving and a retro mini fridge. You'll absolutely love cooking in this kitchen with the whitewashed brick accent wall, black stainless steel appliances, marble counters, and farmhouse sink. Right off the kitchen, this first floor bedroom makes a great guest room or work from home space. Upstairs, you'll find this impressive master bedroom with vaulted ceilings, exposed wooden beams, and 3 closets with ample storage space. This main bathroom is the perfect place to start your morning, featuring a tiled walk-in shower with dual shower heads, a gorgeous tiled floor, and a double vanity with gold accents. One of my favorite spots in this house is this private outdoor space with horizontal fencing and zero maintenance yard. It is the perfect place to entertain with your friends or to grill on those nights you don't want to cook inside. It also features 1 off-street parking space with an electric car charger. Thanks for joining me on this tour of 172 39th Street in Lawrenceville. If you'd like to see all of these details for yourself, please give me a call. Kaedi Knepshield, Piatt Sotheby's International Realty.